Please start.
Okay. Is my voice okay now? Like, is
Yeah,
my
yeah,
audio
yeah, yeah, audible.
okay? Yeah. So in the future, I would like to visit Bali. I know right now it sounds kind of vague because right now we are all surrounded with a lot of work, lot of pressure. But whenever I think of relaxation or to unwind myself, I think of Bali because it's a perfect combination of relaxing landscape, basically. A peaceful atmosphere whenever I think of Bali, the beaches, the waves, the shores, everything that comes into my mind is quite relaxing. Uh, I would basically would love to go there when I would complete my undergrad before stepping into the next level of my career. The reason why I would love to visit Bali would be because of course, the beaches, the watching the sunrises and the calm waves. I think it kind of unwinds myself. It will be a stress-free getaway for me to enjoy the shores. Uh, right. Basically, it's a perfect uh, place for me for adventures and relaxation, a peaceful environment to disconnect myself from this busy life and refresh my mind, to travel to such a beautiful place and also like get a new experience to find the inspiration for my design career.
Oh, very nice. But I would like to specify, I have written the words here. So, can we say that Bali offers natural landscape? The way you state it and the way I am mentioning makes some difference, right? So, the Bali offers natural landscape. It has a picturesque view. It has breathtaking views, majestic views. So, the words are important equally, right? So, breathtaking is a normal word. Can we use this? If not picturesque, picturesque. I hope you know picturesque view. Okay. Also, it has lot many hotels. It has a chain of hotels, right? Especially known for tourism. So, can we say it also offers a warm sense of hospitality? Isn't it? It does.
Yes, yes.
So, we can say it offers a warm sense of hospitality. And it is a stress buster. You can de stress yourself. Okay. All right. Who will be next? Any volunteers? Any volunteers? Come on. Nobody?
Can I go next?
Yeah, please. If possible, can you please turn on your camera?
Yeah, I don't think I look good. That's why I've
Oh, come
turned it
on.
off. So
Oh, come on. Even I'm sitting like this.
sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, cool. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
So I would love to go to where Neerav mentioned Bali,
Hmm.
but for actually, it's been on my dream board, on my vision board since a really long period of time. Only because of the beach,
Hmm.
the beaches over there,
Hmm.
and the waves. It brings a sense of serenity to my
Hmm.
soul, a sense of calmness,
Hmm.
which I'm really longing for and seeking for.
Hmm.
I personally thought of saving up enough of money
Hmm.
for after my graduation and my master's. I thought like once I save up enough after getting a good job,
Hmm.
I would be able to go to a really nice place and unwind and relax and enjoy the view for myself and for once just learn how to accept all parts of myself because the ocean
Hmm.
just brings out the best in me. The
Okay.
ocean is where my soul feels like it belongs to, and
Hmm.
it also reminds me of some sort of um, back in the ancient times.
Hmm.
uh, there was this Arcturian princess who
Hmm.
used to often visit
Hmm.
um, like
she used to stay underwater,
Okay.
and that is something I would love to explore, because that is that I would love to like just
Mm,
um explore that aspect of
mm.
um enjoying
You
that,
can say you
experiencing
can
that.
say I'm a great fan of marine life. That's what you want to say?
Yeah,
That
I'm a
you
great fan
admire
of
marine
marine
life?
life. Yes, I'm a great fan of marine life, and I also would love to understand, get to the roots of what what was that ancient
Mm,
part that is left unexplored. Like, why does that place call out to me so frequently? What could be the potential reason behind it? So that
okay.
is exactly why
So
I
have you
want.
answered all the headings here, where it is, when you would like to go there, what would you like to do there?
I would love to go. I would love to go to Bali next summer,
Mm,
and I would. Till then, I would just. Uh, one second.
mm,
Have to Bali. Yes, I would love to go to Bali next June,
mm,
next 2025 June.
mm,
Sorry, 2026 June,
mm.
and I would love to scuba dive, and just to experience what is it like, just to overcome my fear of water, and
Okay.
like,
So
yeah.
you were struggling, you could not recall that word bucket list. That's there on my bucket list.
Yes, that's there on my bucket list.
Okay.
Yes, vision
Now,
board
in
bucket list.
another sense, of course, you are talking about a serene environment. We can also say it
Yes,
is full of tranquility. Have you heard this word?
yes, yes. I've heard of this word.
Tranquil,
Yes,
right?
yes, heard of
Okay.
this.
Tranquility,
Yes,
peace,
peace,
serenity, serene
serenity.
environment, right? Very peaceful.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Marine life. I'm a great fan of marine life. I would love to explore the adventurous sports like scuba diving, blah blah,
right,
kayaking. Okay.
right.
Now, I'm a great fan of beaches. You said I love beaches. I like. Please minimize the usage of love and like. Okay,
Right,
we
right,
can
right.
see, we can, yeah, here we can say I'm a great fan of, I really
I'm
admire.
I really admire visiting, sitting on the shores of the beaches in Bali, because of the serenity and tranquility it exudes,
Hmm,
and the vibe it gives. It's very self-soothing,
yeah,
and it's,
very
yeah.
nice. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Vatheed, you are next.
Okay. I'm not that much on the ball today, but I'll try my
You can
best.
give it a try, yeah.
Yeah. So, as has been mentioned, that relaxation and recreation are very important to our life,
Hmm.
so as to distress ourselves
So
and
I
to
have
boost.
also mentioned before, right? When we say important,
Yeah.
we can use variety of words
Significant,
in
pertinent,
place of
vital,
important.
crucial.
It is
Yes, a
quite
lot of
crucial, it's
words.
quite vital, it's quite instrumental. When will you guys use them?
We
Okay?
should, yes.
Hmm.
So, the place that I'm thinking of going to is known as Sunway Lagoon.
Hmm.
It's like a water park
Hmm.
located at the heart of Kuala Lumpur,
Hmm.
the capital of Malaysia.
Hmm.
And I'm thinking of visiting there in a couple of 2 months,
Hmm.
hopefully.
Yeah.
So, yeah. The reason why I've chosen the Sunway Lagoon is that it would take me down the memory lane
Hmm.
to the days of my honeymoon,
Hmm.
where I've enjoyed a lot.
Hmm.
And not only to enjoy the water games and uh, the place, but also to catch a glimpse of the picturesque green landscape, and as well as to take a look at the different
Very nice. She's
characters.
utilizing all the phrases that I generally guide on, like catch a glimpse of. Okay? So you are incorporating these things. That's what we need, Vati. Okay?
Okay,
Hmm.
yes. Okay. So to catch a glimpse of the picturesque view of the green
Hmm.
landscapes, as well as uh, the waterfalls and the attached wildlife reserve there.
Hmm. Okay. Divyanshu, done with that sigh? Oh my god, I will be next any moment. Huh? Alright. It's okay. I love these smiling faces, huh? And see, we are here for learning, guys. Whatever it is, you have to speak. And my sole responsibility would be to correct you and to elevate your skills in the right direction. Okay? Go ahead, Divyanshu.
Ma'am, I would not like to describe the places like the Neeral and Vathir.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I would like to describe a park
Hmm.
that is a few kilometers away from my house. There is very less matlab, crowd and people present over there.
Hmm.
And ma'am, I would like to visit that park in this weekend.
Hmm.
I visited there a few days ago, and when I was feeling very low
Hmm.
and I had some dizziness, so I visited there to relax myself and
Hmm.
feel good and energetic.
Hmm.
So I went there at like 6 o'clock and uh, had some meditation, and I found a puppy over there.
Hmm.
I played with him. उसके लिए him use करेंगे या it?
You can say it.
I played
See,
with
it
it,
depends
so
totally. We can use he, she as well as it, depending. If you know the sex, you know that it is he. If you do not know, then you will say it. So if it's a dog,
so
you can say he. If it's a bitch, you can say she. If you do not know the sex, you can say it. Okay?
I played with it for
Hmm.
2 hours and made a good bond with it.
Hmm.
And it was sleeping in my hands at like 7:30. So I would like to visit that park again and play with it
Hmm.
to relax myself. And the sunset was also relaxing. So I would like to. Uh,
Very nice,
the
very
sunset
nice. Going good,
offers
Divyanshu.
me
Much better than before. Very nice.
relaxation and calms me down,
Hmm.
and
I feel very
like
calm and composed. Huh? You can say
it's
calm and
speechless.
composed.
Yes, ma'am. Calm and composed.
Hmm. Now, as you mentioned, Divyanshu, that it's quite near my home, you can say it is in the vicinity. Vicinity. I'm
Vicinity.
writing the word. Then you would say over the weekend. Okay? Over the weekend. I visited there over the weekend. Then you said I was feeling sad. Can't we say I was feeling blue? I was down in the dumps. I was very low, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can say I was feeling blue. Okay? Then you went there, you mentioned that I felt energetic. Okay? You can say it was quite rejuvenating. You have heard the word rejuvenating, guys? It was quite rejuvenating.
I haven't
Okay?
heard.
So you basically charged up your battery. Huh? So that's how we say rejuvenating. Okay? And then I felt really calm and composed. So you witnessed the difference the way I mentioned few things. So you can try idiomatic expressions, you can try better vocabulary, and eventually you'll succeed. Okay? All right. Jeet, you are left. Jeet, am I audible to you? Yeah?